Did you know that over 70% of startups fail within the first 5 years? And one of the biggest reasons is a useless business plan? Most entrepreneurs write plans for banks or investors, not for themselves. Let's fix that. In the next 5 minutes, you'll learn the exact framework to create a business plan that actually works for you, not some 40-page corporate document that collects dust. I'm Harry from the Young Founders Club, where we cut the fluff and give you the real strategies to start and grow businesses. Today you'll discover the one-page plan system that top entrepreneurs use. How to set goals you'll actually hit instead of random revenue dreams. The tools and templates that make planning simple. But first, let me show you why the way most people write business plans is actually costing them time, money, and, honestly, their business. Point 1. Forget 40 pages. Use the one-page business plan. Case study. Airbnb's early business plan wasn't a 60-page document. It was literally a few slides. Same with Uber. Their pitch decks were short, sharp, and built to guide action, not impress a bank manager. Here's what to do. Grab a single sheet of paper, divide it into 5 boxes. Your customer, who are you serving? The problem, what pain do they have? Your solution, what do you sell? Revenue model, how do you make money? Key metric, what number tells you you're winning? That's it. That's your starter business plan. But here's where most people mess this up. They confuse a business plan with a pitch deck. They try to sound smart instead of making the plan useful. And that's the difference between planning for investors and planning for survival. Point 2, numbers. Don't lie, set financial targets that matter. Proof point. CB Insights found that 38% of startups fail because they run out of cash. Not because the idea was bad, but because the founder never mapped the money properly. Step-by-step implementation. Here's the framework I recommend. Write down your monthly expenses, personal and business. Work out your minimum revenue target, the survival number. Add a growth layer. Set milestones at $1,000 a month, $100,000 a month, then $5,000 a month. Track one key number weekly: sales calls booked, website traffic, or conversion rate. For example, let's say you're starting a small digital agency. Your expenses are $2,000 a month. That means you need just 4 clients at $500 each to break even. That's clarity, and clarity kills anxiety. Now this next part is crucial because most entrepreneurs burn out by chasing too many shiny objects. You don't need a complex 10-section business plan, you need focus. Point 3, avoid the copy-paste plan trap, build your own playbook. Common mistake to avoid. Most new founders Google business plan template, fill in the blanks, and think they're done. That's a trap. Those templates are made for banks, not for execution. Exact framework. Instead, use what I call the founder's playbook. It's 3 pages max. Page 1, the one-page business model. Customer, problem, solution, revenue, key metric. Page 2, your 90-day action plan. Write 3 goals only. Break them into weekly tasks. Page 3, your scoreboard. Track progress on sales, revenue, and customer feedback. Tools that make this simple: Notion or Trello for action plans. Google Sheets for your scoreboard, a free Canva template if you want it to look nice. And finally, the secret that ties this all together. Your business plan isn't a document, it's a habit. Point 4. Your business plan is alive. Update it weekly. Here's what nobody tells you. The best business plans are alive. They change every week as you learn. Amazon's Jeff Bezos once said, "We're stubborn on vision, flexible on details." That's the mindset. Actionable step. Every Friday, review your scoreboard. Ask what worked, what didn't, what's next. If something isn't working, pivot. Don't wait 6 months. A living plan saves you from being stubborn in the wrong direction. Recap. Forget the 40 pages. Create a one-page business model that drives action. Get your money right. Set clear financial targets and track one key metric. Build a founder's playbook, not a copy-paste template. And most importantly, keep your plan alive, updated weekly. Drop a comment. What's one thing you'd add to your one-page business plan today? I'll reply to as many as I can. Next week, I'm breaking down how to launch your AI automation agency and earn $1 million in 6 months. So make sure you're subscribed with the bell on.